Well, okay, this is my first unboxing video. This is the rear shock. It's a Wilbers. I bought this for my Kawasaki ZX12R. It's a 2000 model. And, well, let's open it up and see what's inside. And here comes a knife. Where is the tape? Okay, there. Whoop. Put the knife away. Please be careful. Disclaimer, as always. Okay. Here we have some papers. Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, zum Problemlosen Einbau des Verbeins muss die Okay. Well, it's in English over here. Dear ladies and gentlemen, for an easy installation, the shock absorber's lower clevis mounting has to be okay. We'll get to that later. We'll have something else. This is just like opening an IKEA box when you're trying to build something from it. The first thing you throw away is the instructions, but I don't think I will do that with this one. Ooh, this was nice. Oh, they preset it already. Okay, that's an important paper that I don't want to get lost anywhere. So, here we have something else. Okay, this is the instruction manual, I think. Yes. This looks really good. Oh, no, it's in English as well. Okay, well, now for the special part. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, this looks good. Okay, so they have a rebound, damping, high and low speed. I can't wait to mount this on my motorcycle and try it out, because the original damper is really, it's old, it's worn out. It doesn't, when you click on the clickers, it doesn't do very much, and hopefully this will make the ride feel better. Yeah, well, I hope you enjoyed this short video. I will do one again when I mount this on my motorcycle. There you go. Hope you like it. Thanks. Bye bye.